guys, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another Friday PIP, which is our Pinterest inspired project. Now, originally scheduled for today, I was going to share with you guys lemon brownie bars. I actually made them yesterday and they didn't turn out all that great. In fact, I thought they were rather horrible. So I'm going to redo that recipe next Friday, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But today we're still making something yummy. We are making peanut butter blondies. I've seen this on Pinterest. A lot of the reviews said to double the recipe, so I did do that. But I'm going to give you the measurements for the original recipe. Alright, so in a large bowl, you first want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You want to lightly grease or butter a baking dish, and I'm using a 9x13 because I am using the doubled recipe. Alright, so in the bowl, we're going to add in, it calls for 1/2 cup of butter. Melted butter, I'm going to use 1 whole cup of butter. Again, I'm doubling it. Alright, then it says and the light brown sugar. It called for 1 cup, and I'm leaving it at 1 cup. That was one of the reviews, said to double everything except for the sugar. So I have the butter and the sugar inside there, and we're going to mix it thoroughly together. Sometimes when you see something on Pinterest or YouTube, you think, yeah, I'm not sure. And that lemon recipe, I will tell you, it tasted really good, but it was really, really gooey on the inside. Like, you could not even cut it. You needed a spoon. So I'm going to see if I did something wrong, and like I said, we'll try again next Friday. Alright, so we have that in there. We're going to add in the egg. It called for 1 egg. I'm using 2. It also called for an 8x8 pan, and I'm using a 9x13. And I sprayed it lightly with a vegetable spray, added parchment paper to that, and I also sprayed that with the same vegetable spray. Alright, so we added the egg. Now we're going to add in the vanilla extract. It called for, the original recipe called for 1 teaspoon. I used 2. I'm going to mix this thoroughly. Then we're going to mix in the peanut butter. Let me grab my little rubber spatula. It called for 1 cup. I used 2. Anything with peanut butter and vanilla, I'm on board. Alright, so let's take that off of there. We're going to try it with the spoon and see how that goes, just to kind of break it up a little bit. I do have a rubber spatula over here as well, but I just want to get the peanut butter incorporated into this first. So leave me a comment below if you guys tried something, like a new recipe, it was an absolute fail. That was my oven. Again, you want to preheat that to 350 degrees. Most of the recipes, I will say, on Pinterest, they actually turned out really, really good. There's a fly in here. Okay. Just get it all mixed in till the peanut butter is thoroughly mixed in there. Doesn't that look yummy? Thumbs up to the video for peanut butter. Alright, I'm going to get all that off of there, because now we're going to add in the salt. That was, what did it call for? Let me go back. It called for 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using 1/2 teaspoon. I'm going to mix that in there. And then we're going to add in the flour. Okay, let's clean that off. Okay, set that aside. And we're going to add in the flour. Originally it called for 1 cup. I'm using 2. And I'm going to do this in batches, just a little bit at a time. Yeah, hubby actually liked the lemon bars. He did say they were gooey and they were very, very lemony. The glaze I thought was really bitter, but I'll share all that with you guys next Friday. I'll even share the clip to where the recipe kind of fell apart on me. It was kind of funny. So you can either double this, or like I did, or leave it the regular size. I'm going to add in more flour there. Now it says to bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. Since I'm doubling it, I'll try it at 25 and we'll see how it is. Okay, just get all that flour folded in there. I'm going to add the rest of the flour now. And I will leave the link where I found this recipe for you guys. Now, normally I would post the recipe below the video. I'm not going to do that just in case you want to double it like I did. I imagine you can probably also use the chunky peanut butter to give you a more chewy blondie. And I like this one because it didn't call for any chips. I've seen some of them that called for the white chocolate chips or the peanut butter chips or the chocolate chips. I wanted something that I had on hand already, and this is what I had. Alright, that's pretty thick, and she did say it's going to be rather thick, the batter. Alright, just make sure all that's mixed in. Make sure I get the bottom. Alright, let's bring in our pan. Make sure you guys are still in view, and you are. Okay. Alright, we're going to pour this in here, or I guess kind of plop it in there. You can see how thick it is. I still see some of the flour, so I didn't do a great job mixing it all together, but it'll still be good, right? I mean, how can you go wrong with peanut butter? Right, I'm going to say that now, I'll jinx myself. Alright, now, I'm just going to kind of flatten it down, get that fly out of there. We've been doing really good with the flies this summer. But this one today snuck in when I had the girls out front. Alright, so just want to put this in a smooth layer, make sure you get the corners, and make sure it's flat. It shouldn't rise any. There's not a whole lot of, actually there's no baking soda in it, or baking powder. One of the reviews said it was grainy, and we will see when it comes out. So it's going to go in the oven at 350 preheated for, said it calls for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm going to go 20, and we'll see how it is, okay? I'm going to scrape this off of there. You want to get all that yumminess in there. Alright, going to go in the oven, guys, 350 for 20 minutes. I'll come back and let you guys know what it looks like. Alright guys, we are back with our peanut butter blondies. They were in my oven for about 27 minutes at 350 degrees. So you want to just insert a toothpick in the middle. Make sure it comes out clean. We're going to let them cool off, and then we're going to slice them up and see how they taste. So I'll see you guys in a few. Alright guys, we are back. Time to taste the peanut butter blondies. I did taste them already. I thought I was filming and I was not. So I'm going to go ahead and cut another piece here so you can see them. They're actually really good. I'm going to bring it up closer. The pan's nice and cool. The blondie is a little bit warm on the inside. But overall, when I taste them, I thought they were really, really good. They're not overly peanut butter, so they're not powered with peanut butter. You do taste it. I do agree with the reviews. If you do double the recipe, definitely do not double the sugar. I think if you doubled the sugar, they'd be overly sweet. But they're nice and creamy. They're not grainy. Some reviews said they were grainy. I do find the top to be a little bit grainy on the very top, but that could be just like a top layer crust. Overall, they're really, really good. I would definitely recommend these. So stay tuned, like I said, for next Friday's video when I will retry those lemon bars. Like I said, they tasted good. They just did not cook all the way through. So we're going to see if we can fix that and give you guys a review on that one. But there you have it, guys, a super simple peanut butter blondie recipe. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.